Line 5, which features line 5A, 5B, 5C, 5D, and 5E. 5A, taxable Social Security wages. Report the total wages, sick pay, and fringe benefits subject to Social Security taxes you paid to your employees during the quarter. For this purpose, sick pay includes payments made by an insurance company to your employees for which you receive timely notice from the insurance company. For more information on this, see Section 6 in Publication 15-A. Here's how the calculation works. Enter the total amount of wages before any deductions. This would be the gross amount. Now multiply the total amount of wages by the Social Security rate on taxable wages, which for the year 2012 is 10.4% or 0.104. As you can see, once you make that multiplication, the 12483.92 times 10.4%, your taxable Social Security wages would be $1298.33. Line 5B, taxable Social Security tips. Enter all tips your employees reported to you during the quarter until the total of the tips and wages for an employee reaches the Social Security ceiling amount, which for 2012 is $110,100. If you don't have any Social Security tips or your employees have no Social Security tips, then you want to leave this blank. Line 5C, taxable Medicare wages and tips. Report all wages, tips, sick pay, and taxable fringe benefits that are subject to Medicare tax. Unlike Social Security wages, there is no limit on this amount of wages subject to Medicare tax. Include all tips your employees reported during the quarter. So in our example here, our total compensation is $12,483.92 times the Medicare rate of 2.9% or 0.029. And so our taxable Medicare amount is $362.03. Line 5D. What line 5D asks you to do is add column 2, line 5A, and column 2, line 5B, and column 2, line 5C. So add the Social Security tax, the Social Security tips tax, and Medicare tax, and enter the result on line 5D. When we add those together, it gives us $1,660.36. There's also a line 5E, which deals with Section 312Q, notice and demand tax due on unreported tips. In most cases, you can leave this blank. In our example, we leave it blank.